So we're about to cook some ribeyes, and we're going to use one of his rubs that he picked out, and we're going to use one that I brought with me that I made at my house, and we're going to do a little taste test after we're through. So stay tuned. What's up, y'all? Ambassador Flavors, and I have got another biker-friendly business for you. I'm here in Marion at Grill Works, and here's Alex. He works here, and he's going to tell you a little bit about it.
Here at the Grill Works, we specialize in barbecue, everything from pellet grills, gas grills, charcoal grills. We've got big green eggs, griddles. One of the biggest things that separates us is going to be our wide selection of sauces and rubs.
And it looks like you have got a really big selection of rubs here.
We absolutely do. We have samples of everything so you can taste it before you buy it. We will help you find the right flavor you're looking for.
And you told me y'all had the Kula's stuff here, right?
We sure do. So we have the Kula sauces, which of course are local. We've got a maple barbecue sauce, which is made locally. We've got a Korean barbecue sauce made locally.
Nice. We really like giving our customers all of the tools that they need to take their barbecue game to the next level. And hopefully we can show you guys some tips today.
All right, so we're about to cook some ribeyes, and we're going to use one of his rubs that he picked out, and we're going to use one that I brought with me that I made at my house. And we're going to do a little taste test after we're through. So stay tuned. I've got some special rub that I made at my house. I had to go back to another place and get one that was an inch. And the reason that the thickness matters is because when you put the rub on there, the surface area is what determines how much seasoning you got on there. The steak is thicker than what I designed the salt content of the rub to be. So that's why I'll go for exactly 1 inch thick, and any more or any less is going to alter the taste of it from the rub, and it's also going to alter the cooking time. I've pretty much got this thing timed over a few hundred times of cooking steak to where I know exactly that it's 2 minutes on each side for medium rare. Since it is a rub, I've designed the recipe to make sure that it's not too much or too little. The objective here is just to put as much as I possibly can get on there and rub it in. And like I said, this thicker steak is going to be a little bit of a challenge because the rub was not designed to be salty enough to get through 1.25 inches or 1.5 inches or whatever this is of meat, but it was designed over many times of trial and error to be perfect for a steak that's 1 inch thick. So this one should turn out perfect, and this one over here should turn out good. You know, I've got stuck with thick steaks before when I bought them from somewhere I didn't know, and they were fine, but this one's gonna probably suit me a little bit better. But we'll see which one Alex and his friends here at Grill Works prefer. All right, so now I'm gonna let Alex show me how he makes his steak.
Alright guys, so I'm going to actually use 2 different rubs today. Our very first rub that we're going to use for our base is our gunpowder. It's our #1 selling rub.
The popular product from the store is our gunpowder seasoning, and it looks amazing. It looks strange. It looks like gunpowder.
And it's just an all-around great beef seasoning. So I'm going to start out with a little light coat of this to get things started. I'm just going to want to get a good coat on all sides, kind of pat that in a little bit. All of these products that I'm using are available here at the Grill Works, including this nice prep tub that we got. Helps just keep those seasonings over in this area, not getting all over your counter, nothing like that. We got the gunpowder on there. Next, I'm going to switch to our grilling addiction. This is just a great all-around seasoning. It's one of our best sellers as well, and I know it's the owner's one of his personal favorites. So go back in with this, pretty good liberal layer on there of the grilling addiction. Again, just getting all those sides, edges, top, bottom. I want to make sure that every bite has got flavor in it. Just like that, we are good to go.
we were able to locate a biker to be the judge of this little mini steak cook-off we're having. So do you come to Grill Works a lot?
Oh yes, I do.
Do you like steak?
I love steak.
How do you like your steak?
Medium rare.
Oh good, because we got a couple that's fixing to be just perfect for you.
All right.
And we're gonna let you decide which one you like the best.
All right, sounds good.
Go for it.
All right.
Pretty good steak there. I gotta say, it's got some good flavor to it, and the spices really are good on there.
So we got steak number 2 here.
All right, well, they were both good steaks. This one, the seasoning's a little saltier. For me, that's okay, but I think for the normal person that doesn't want salty, they're gonna like that one better. Yeah, it's less salty. But they're both excellent steaks. I'd eat either one of them.
If you had to pick your favorite, which one would be your favorite?
I would do the salty one, but like I said, I know my wife would. She'd want the one that's less salty. So
Okay,
for me, a little saltier is better.
awesome.
All right.
The first one I tried. I mean, both amazing, but this one's just got a little bit more of that. It's a little bit more flavorful overall. A little bit more salty, like he was kind of.
So that way- All right. I like mine more seasoned. They both have an excellent bark on them. Definitely saltier. I like mine salty. A little smokier here with the gunpowder on it, but both excellent. If I went to a steakhouse, this is probably better steak than what you can find. I shouldn't say that.
We already know it is. We'll cut that part out.
Excellent steaks. You can't go wrong cooking on a charcoal with a big green egg. They just,
Yeah, you can do
charcoal
anything.
gives great flavor. Absolutely. Good job, guys.
Right. I'm gonna be a little biased, but you know, I'll also be honest. All right. This one's gonna be Whittles. Those are cooked too. This one's gonna be mine. Yeah, man. Both of those, phenomenal. If you're looking for more of just like that classic beefy steak flavor, you nailed it with yours. Mine's got a little bit more of that salt, pepper, garlic. That's what you're into. That's gonna be a great combination for you, but you really killed it with that. That's awesome.
Appreciate it, man.
Brought to you by the Biker Lawyers. Injured? Ride with us.